Good morning, my peoples. That's my boyfriend over there. If you see, don't get scared, it's not a ghost. I can't talk because I just woke up. Today, you guys are gonna be watching me run a mile. That may be easy for some of you. For my boyfriend, it's quite easy. For me, it's nearly impossible. Have I done it? Yes, but I've taken many breaks, so I don't think it counts. I'm gonna try to do it without taking any breaks. My boyfriend's gonna pick out my workout outfit. That's why I look like this right now. We're gonna give him a minute to pick out an outfit. Hopefully he doesn't make me look like a clown. Okay. And we're back. My boyfriend says that he has picked out an outfit. To be honest with you, I'm a little bit afraid.
We're all afraid.
Show me.
Alright, so this is a shirt.
Okay. That's comfy.
Yeah. It's
breathable.
Just.
Okay, that's a good one.
So a good one.
I have a large shelf, so
Shelf life.
I need a good sports bra, so he got a good one. And my Pink Store leggings from 8th grade.
Woo!
Okay, that's actually really good. And I only have one pair of sneakers, so one pair of running sneakers. So he can't really pick that. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed.
Me too.
Then we'll meet you outside, okay?
Bye,
meet us outside.
Hey guys.
Ta-da!
So I don't really know. We're just gonna go for it. I don't even know what a mile is. I think my boyfriend knows, the one holding the camera.
I know.
He has a good idea. So he's just gonna film me die, basically. Okay?
You're not gonna die.
Am I gonna die?
Oh.
I feel like I might. A little bit. But we don't even have a water bottle with us, so.
It's just a mile.
It's hard for people that play Animal Crossing 24 hours a day and don't move their legs. Let's go. Oh my god. What do they have in that dumpster?
Garbage.
It's got to be. My pants are falling.
Amanda, question, Amanda.
What?
Paparazzi, question. I love you.
I love you. I love you too.
What a stinky day. Why does it stink everywhere?
It smells.
It might be the sewer. That guy. Why'd you stop?
I got tired.
Oh. Keep going. It's over there. But you can see the cars coming.
I'm tired. And my pants are falling, and that's your fault. So you picked out.
Are you talking to me or the viewers?
No, I'm talking to you. They didn't pick out my pants. This isn't running a mile. That was clickbait. My pants. Why don't we just go for a walk?
That's not what the video is.
If we walk backwards, is that equivalent to running?
No.
It's hard.
Run, dude.
I can't.
Run.
I can't breathe.
You've done this before. Let's go. Go. Yeah, there we go. You did a whole half a mile without stopping the other day.
I've been eating Cheetos. It's related. I've been eating Cheetos and Chips Ahoy Chewies. But were they worth it? Yeah.
This is how they film movies.
Oh yeah, for sure. Pick up your pants. We made it.
Alright, so we're half a mile. Let's keep going.
Half a mile.
The birds are having a party.
I wish I was a bird. So I could be like, you know?
No.
I ran to the mailbox.
There's like mailboxes everywhere.
Let's go, guys. Lazy bone.
You go all the way to your house without stopping. We just ran around the whole world. How do you feel, Amanda? All right, done. Good job.
So we're back, and it was really hot outside. It's like early afternoon.
No, I want them to guess. Comment whatever time you think it is.
We're also in Miami, Florida, so it's really hot at all times. I'm still out of breath. It was a good experience. 5 out of 10. Would probably do it again.
10 out of 10.
Not very soon though.
Nah, you have to do it again. She said that by the end of the year she's gonna make another video where she does the whole mile without stopping.
I never said that,
That's
but
what she said.
I'll do it. Maybe.
Fine,
Animal
that's why I
Crossing
didn't
takes
read
a lot of my time, so I can't be training. I need you to tell them how I did. How you think I did.
You did it.
Okay, but was it bad?
You done better.
That's true. I don't know. It was just so hot. I felt like I couldn't breathe. Like I had a plastic bag over my head or something. And that's humidity.
Oh, I would give you a 6 out of 10.
A 6. That's
Yeah.
pretty good.
But I mean, a 7 out of 10 is passing. The 70% is a C. A 6 out of 10 is 60%. That's like a D.
No. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if
I like it.
Let me know if you want me to do more like fitness style challenges. That's not a challenge for most people. I know most people can run a mile, but I can't. So I thought it would be entertaining. Actually, he thought of the idea. So if you don't like the video, blame that guy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you.
And I'll see you guys.
And you too.
And I'll see you
over
guys
there. And I'll see you guys
very
very
soon.
soon.
Bye.